Lord Shiva is imparting wisdom to sage Vasishtha, and sage Vasishtha is relating this to Sri Rama. Just as crystal surfaces reflect the beauty of flowers as well as the ugliness of spiders, but are ever untouched by those reflected objects. Think of a mirror. Put a spider near it and look into it. The spider has gone into the mirror. Take the spider away. Put a flower near it and look into the mirror. The mirror has grabbed it completely. Take both away and look at the mirror. Mirror has nothing. The conclusion, the mirror was never touched by it. That's the subtle insight into pure consciousness. You are always conscious, but conscious of so many of troubles, conscious of so many limitations. Consciousness that is sustaining all the study of the whole universe, past, present, and future. All that consciousness is like reflections in the mirror of pure consciousness. So relative consciousness versus pure consciousness. This is a subtle point in understanding profound philosophy of Vedanta. All your experiences are based on projections of the mind, vrittis of the mind, thought waves. It's like a cinema show. All the show you see is based on projections. While involved in a show, you are going through many experiences of pleasure, pain, thrill, and terror. But nothing of them is real when the projection is withdrawn. It was the screen that was screaming in the form of your projections. So it is divine awareness that is screaming through all your awareness, no matter how ticklish, no matter how little, and no matter how magnanimous.